Hello, my name is Jimmy Dendrinos. I'm the founder of NFT Concerts. I wanted to give you all a quick tutorial on how to mint and unlock an NFT concert. This is the homepage. Right now we just have one NFT concert, but more are on the way. To view more details, simply click on the NFT concert, and you can actually mint this right from the homepage. You can learn more and enter a listing page, but let's just mint. So right now, and if you're logged in using MetaMask, you'll see it's firing a transaction. Now that it's loaded, we can confirm this. And now we are firing a test transaction. We are minting this NFT in the Mumbai testnet. If you were to do this using the real application, you'd be minting an NFT on the Ethereum mainnet. And look at that. We just minted this NFT. We've minted 1 out of 50 copies, and we can play this performance recording right now. And just like that, we can enjoy the show. So, each NFT concert unlocks a full performance recording. I'm not going to play the rest of this one. It is available. Go ahead and mint NFT Concert #1 by Babs.0 on the NFT Concerts platform right now.